This wine cooler offers optimal storage with adjustable temperature zones for both wine and beverages. It accommodates up to 77 bottles of wine and 180 cans, featuring a sleek stainless steel design and double-layer tempered glass door. With easy-to-use digital controls, removable racks, and quiet operation, it's perfect for wine enthusiasts seeking style and functionality. There are many different types of wine cooler, each with special benefits, features, and prices. To help make right decisions, I did a lot of research and will be found the best wine cooler that people like you can benefit greatly from these products. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video with patience. Number 5. Qingkai 141 Bottle Wine Cooler Refrigerator. The Qingkai 141 Bottle Wine Cooler Refrigerator is a premium solution for wine enthusiasts seeking optimal storage. Its advanced dual-zone cooling system allows you to independently adjust temperatures for red and white wines, preserving the flavors and aromas of each bottle. The upper zone, 41 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, and lower zone, 41 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, offer precise temperature control. With 12 adjustable beechwood shelves, it provides ample space for up to 141 standard Bordeaux bottles, making it perfect for wine collectors. Powered by silent cooling technology, the wine cooler operates quietly under 38 dB, ensuring a peaceful environment. The sleek stainless steel and tempered glass design adds elegance, while the double-layer glass door offers UV protection and insulation. Featuring smart functions like temperature memory, adjustable legs, and soft LED lighting, this wine fridge fits seamlessly in kitchens, offices, or bars. The versatile freestanding or built-in installation ensures optimal airflow for your wine collection. Enjoy quick customer support and a stylish addition to your space. Number 4. 24-inch Wine Cooler Refrigerator. The 24-inch dual-zone wine cooler refrigerator is the perfect solution for wine enthusiasts and commercial spaces, offering a large capacity to store up to 154 bottles. With 14 removable, moisture-proof beechwood shelves, this wine fridge provides versatile storage that can be customized to fit your needs. Its dual temperature zones, upper zone, 40 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit, lower zone, 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, ensure optimal storage for both red and white wines. The wine cooler features a memory storage function, automatically restoring settings after power loss, and an automatic defrost function to minimize maintenance. The seamless stainless steel design, combined with a UV-resistant double-layer tempered glass door, adds elegance while protecting your wine from harmful light. Upgraded compressor technology ensures rapid cooling, stable temperatures, and low vibrations, providing the perfect environment for wine maturation. Ideal for both built-in and freestanding setups, this wine cooler fits seamlessly into any space, offering an exceptional storage solution with premium features. Number 3. Upgraded 190 Bottles Wine Cooler Refrigerator. The upgraded 190 Bottles Wine Cooler Refrigerator offers an expansive storage solution for wine lovers, accommodating up to 190 bottles with 2 large shelves for larger bottles like Pinot or Champagne. This 24-inch wine fridge features a professional temperature control system, allowing precise adjustments to maintain the perfect storage conditions for both reds and whites. Equipped with a safety lock, it ensures your valuable collection remains secure, while the carbon purification system absorbs and purifies odors, keeping your wine fresh. The ultra-silent and energy-efficient compressor operates quietly with minimal vibration, maintaining optimal temperature stability. The high-elastic, sturdy door seal enhances cold air retention, improving refrigeration efficiency. Its sleek, elegant design and front vent allow for both freestanding and built-in installation, making it versatile for any space. With dimensions of 23.5 inches by 27.2 inches by 62.9 inches, W/D/H, this wine cooler is the ideal choice for wine enthusiasts seeking professional-grade storage and style. Number 2. Bodega Cooler Wine and Beverage Refrigerator. The Bodega Cooler 30-inch 2-in-1 dual-zone wine and beverage refrigerator offers a large capacity, holding up to 120 bottles of wine and 234 cans of beverages. With 20 wooden and wire shelves plus a large drawer, it provides organized storage while keeping your collection safe with sliding racks that prevent scratches. The dual-zone design ensures ideal temperatures for both wine, 41 degrees Fahrenheit - 68 degrees Fahrenheit, and beverages, 36 degrees Fahrenheit - 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Powered by a quiet, efficient compressor, it provides even cooling while meeting international energy standards. The sleek stainless steel design fits seamlessly as both a built-in or freestanding unit, perfect for kitchens, offices, or commercial settings like restaurants. The innovative drawer with dividers helps organize space, allowing for better separation of items. Equipped with a temperature memory function, this fridge guarantees optimal conditions. Backed by a 1-year warranty and a service life of 8 to 10 years, it's a reliable and stylish choice for wine enthusiasts. Number 1. Bodega 24-inch Wine and Beverage Refrigerator Cooler. The Bodega 24-inch wine and beverage refrigerator offers dual-zone temperature control for optimal storage of both wine and beverages. It holds up to 77 bottles of wine and 180 cans, with temperature settings adjustable from 41-72 degrees Fahrenheit for the wine zone and 37-64 degrees Fahrenheit for the beverage zone. The easy-to-use digital touch control panel and memory temperature function allow for precise control. Designed for built-in or freestanding installation, its sleek stainless steel frame and double-layer tempered glass door provide insulation and UV protection, while the 7 wooden shelves add a natural touch. The refrigerator's large capacity ensures that both wine and beverages stay perfectly chilled with minimal noise. Removable racks and adjustable shelving allow for customized storage, accommodating various bottle sizes. With a 1-year warranty and a service life of 8 to 10 years, this stylish wine and beverage cooler is a perfect addition to any home, bar, or kitchen. All I want to say is that I make helpful videos daily. Please do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, so do check out link the my description box for each product mentioned. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.